Today we're going to talk about comparison problems, or we'll be solving comparison problems using a multiplication model. So as you can see here, I have a multiplication model, and I have a model drawn down below here. This is what we call a multiplication model. In this case, I am modeling 4 times as many as 9 is 36. So as you can see on my second one down here, I have my 9 in a box. And up top here, I have 4 boxes. This represents 4 times this size of box here, so 9. So to solve this, or to write this out, it would be a 9 in each one of these boxes, because they're all the same. And so using this multiplication model here, I can see that I have 4 9s, so then I can add up these 9s. 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. Or I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times 9, because that would be my equation, which would be 4 times as many as 9 equals 36. And 4 times 9 is 36. So using the multiplication problem model, I was able to do this. Now we're going to kind of jump into using the model in a different way. So on our next problem here, we have Devin's dog weighs 7 times as much as Tyler's cat. Together, they weigh 48 pounds. How much does Tyler's cat weigh? So once again, I'm going to draw this as a multiplication model, and I'm going to put the dog up top, dog, and then I'm going to put the cat down below. So we have the cat. And then I'm going to draw my boxes. So I'm going to have one box for the cat, because the dog weighs 7 times. So then we're going to have 7 boxes for the dog. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then it tells us, the next piece of information it tells us is that together they weigh 48 pounds. So that means if we were to add them all up together, they weigh 48 pounds. So I'm going to write here that together they weigh 48 pounds. So now I need to figure out exactly how much the dog's or the cat weighs. And so I'm going to do this by taking my 48 here, and I'm going to count up all my boxes. And I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 boxes for the cat, but then I also have another box down here, or 7 boxes for the dog, and then I have another box down here for the cat. So that gives me 8 boxes. So I can then take my 48 and divide it by 8. And I know that 8 times 6 is 48. So that means I'm going to have a 6 in each box. So each box is going to have a 6 in it. So I'm going to go and I'm going to put in all my 6's here. Okay, so now once I put in all my 6's here, I can then look here, and it's asking me how much does the cat weigh, and I can see right here that the cat weighs 6. So I can write the answer is 6 pounds. On our next one here, we have our story problem. Sandy's mother made 4 times as many brownies as Corey's mother for the school bake sale. Together, they made 45 brownies. How many brownies did Sandy's mother make? So once again, I'm going to create a multiplication model. It just makes it easier to see exactly what they're asking. So because I have 4 times, I know that I'm going to have 4 boxes on my top. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to have my 1 box down below. And this 4 times 1, if we notice up here, is Sandy's mother. So I'm just going to put an S for Sandy next to it to remind me that it's Sandy's mother. And then my other one is Corey's mother, so I'm going to put a big C next to it to remind me it's Corey. And then it says that are together they made 45 brownies. So I'm going to do my together mark here. And 45. Now I can count up how many boxes I have. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. So I take my 45 and I'm going to divide my 45 by 5. And I know that 45 divided by 5 is going to be a 9. So that means I'm going to have 9 in each box. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. And then I have to go back and review what the question is asking. So I'm going to come back up here and I'm going to go, how many brownies did Sandy's mother make? So we're going to look over here at Sandy, and we have 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9, or 9 times 4. So my equation for that, to find that, would be 9 times 4, and 9 times 4 equals 36. So we have 36 brownies. And that is how we use the multiplication model to solve comparison problems.